Hi, I'm David. Today I want to talk to you about Miniatura, the Doll's House show that takes place twice a year. This is where you can see thousands of amazing miniatures all in one place. And you can see the quality of the miniatures that are made by talented makers. You also can see demonstrations and workshops. We will be there under Little Houses Plus, selling our doll's house accessories, and we'll also be there as Small World Products, and we are wiring specialists. I will be talking to people there about wiring doll's houses. So if you're thinking about wiring a doll's house, or if you're wiring a doll's house at this time and you need some help, come and talk to us. Don't need an appointment. Just come up to where we are and you can ask the questions you need to know the answers to. I will also be going through with people that are about to wire their doll's house our easy wiring system. You can find more information about the show at www.miniatura.co.uk or on our website, which is www.smallworldproducts.co.uk or on www.littlehouses-plus-shop.co.uk. Hope you come to the show. Come and talk to us. Be pleased to see you. We love being there. We love talking to people. Been there several years now. Thank you for watching this, and thank you, and hope to see you there. Cheerio.